Is it possible to increase the volume of a Sharp TV without a remote?
Hello there. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common situation many of us face: how to adjust the volume of your Sharp TV without using a remote. Whether you've misplaced your remote or the batteries are dead, there are indeed ways to solve this issue. The method we are discussing today is utilizing the built-in buttons on your TV set.
Locate the TV buttons.
The first thing you need to do is find the built-in buttons on your Sharp TV. Many modern TVs, including Sharp, have a set of physical buttons that you can use to control basic settings. These buttons are typically located on the side, bottom, or back of the television. They can sometimes be hard to spot as they are designed to blend in with the TV's frame. The keys you're particularly looking for are volume up and volume down.
Use the volume buttons.
Once you've found the buttons on your TV, it's time to adjust the volume. You need to press the volume up button to increase the volume and volume down button to decrease it. Pressing these buttons will directly change the volume level on your Sharp TV.
Navigating the menu using TV buttons, optional.
Some Sharp TV models may require navigating an on-screen menu to adjust the volume. In this case, you would use a combination of menu, input, or channel up, down buttons to navigate through the menu. Once you reach the sound or audio settings, use the volume up, down buttons to adjust the volume level. Remember, the specific process may vary slightly based on the TV model, so please refer to your user manual if you have trouble navigating the menus. And there you have it. Now you know how to adjust the volume on your Sharp TV without a remote. It might seem a bit tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll be adjusting the volume in no time. Remember, when in doubt, your TV's user manual is your best friend. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. Keep enjoying your Sharp TV at the perfect volume.